Hello and welcome to Skills and Trade. In today's exciting video, we're going to polish this aluminum tray with the Mother's California Gold chrome polish to reveal a mirror shine. So what we're going to do is take some of this Mother's California Gold chrome polish and place it on our Scott Blue shop towel. Then we're just going to rub it in to this aluminum tray until it's as dark as possible. Wait for it to dry. Then we're going to wipe it away with another Scott Blue shop towel to reveal a mirror shine. Mother's California Gold chrome polish uses a thick formula that spreads easily and allows for controlled application while polishing aluminum surfaces. It also contains protective polymers that help protect against fingerprints, spotting, rust, and corrosion while maintaining a bright, polished finish. And I just want to thank you all so very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Leave a comment down in the comment box and have a wonderful day.